having fun out there? You guys gonna play in the snow? No, play in the snow. You're like, no, I don't want to play in the snow. Is it too cold for you? Was it too cold for you? Is that what it was? Yeah? Sure you guys don't want to go back out there? Huh? Oh, come on. Oh, here comes Marco.
They're bugging me. I want to sleep a little bit longer. How are you guys? Have you guys been out already? Have you gone out, Mia? Mia? Did you go out in the snow already? Did you go out in the snow? You did. You want to go out in the snow? Mia, come here. Come here, sweetie. Come here. Come here. You can climb up here. You always do it. No? Yeah, what's wrong? What is wrong? Bella is such a kid. Come on, girls. Come, let's take a look at the snow. Mia, 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 come. Come, let's take a look at the snow. Mia, Mia, come. Hurry up. Let's take a look at the snow. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at the snow. Oh. So now a snowstorm is happening. We had a lot of snow since last night around 1 a.m. Because I was still awake that time. That's right, sweetie. Leave my hat. That is my hat. I don't want you to ruin it, sweetie. No, 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 no. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Duh. Come here now. Let's go. Mia, you want to go out too, Mia? Go catch the snowflakes, sweetie. Look, look, there's a lot coming from above. Peekaboo! Oh my God, Charlie loves the snow too. Oh! Oh, she tries to play with him. We're hitting by very heavy snow right now. Oh. All right, Bella, you want to go out again? Yay! Go, go, go. Charlie wants to go out too. Oh, everybody wants to go. Oh, Mia. Oh no! Charlie's pooping here. This is the 6th time that they want to go. Oh. Oh, don't be in there. Bella is eating the snow too. Bella, that's my shoes. I'm not ready to go out yet. Later I'll take you outside in the front. Leave my shoes, please. Can you leave my shoes? Shh, no. What did I say, Bella? We have to wait. Later in maybe in 2 hours. Okay? Leave my shoes alone. Oh my God, Charlie loves the snow too. Oh.
You kids playing in the snow?
Just tries to play with him. Oh my God. It's not cold at all. Say hi. Hi, friend. Hi, neighbor.
What you doing, Bella? Playing in the snow?
Someone is hungry. Yeah, I'm getting the food ready. See? Goodness. Okay. Eat your food. Finish your food. Yummy food, Mia. Enjoy. Come on, Mia. It's time to go. Okay, Charles. Go, Charles. Come on. Time to go. Marco. Alright, everybody needs to go. Come on. Go party out. Go, go, go. Oh, Charlie doesn't need to. You wanna go? It's okay, you have a diaper. Why not me? Oh my. Hi, Bella. You're getting tired from the snow. You're ready to get some rest. You're such a cutie. You're such a cutie. Okay, stay there and wait for Papa.